Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring. As always, such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a nature of roots question, and we've taken it from the IEB's 2019 Supplementary exam. With that in mind, let's dive straight in. So just for ease of reference, I've given you this useful table over here, which we can use to really understand what the value or the nature of these roots will be. Okay, so firstly, let's rewrite this in the form we like. So it would be 9x squared minus 12px. And we're going to bring that 4 across, which is our constant term in this case. 4p squared equals 0. All right, so now what do we know? They've asked us for which values of p will the equation have equal roots. So when we look here, we've got equal roots when our discriminant equals 0. So our discriminant equals 0, and that is b squared. So let's put that out. So b squared is minus 12p, and that is squared. And then minus 4 times a, which is 9, and then c, which is 4p squared. Where do I get these things from? So the b is this guy over here. The a is my 9 over there, and my c is my 4p squared. All right. 0 equals. So let's say, let's move on to simplify this. So let's get rid of our brackets. So we're going to get 144p squared minus, and now we've got minus 4 times 9 times 4 gives us 144. And that is going to give us p squared. Now that's very interesting. We've got the discriminant, okay, is therefore, so this is going to be 0. What does that mean? So it means 0 equals 0. So this is a very special case, and it means that all real values of p will result in a perfect square, all right, and equal roots, which is a very special case. Doesn't come up that often, but it's really nice that you've seen it now and know what to write if it does come up in your next test or exam. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question. We'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.